Derp.
Hi. So I think we should find like a central plot to this. Like something to talk about.
Like nature is awesome?
Nature is pretty awesome. I like nature. I don't like, the bugs that come with nature. I'm not a fan of bugs. So, this video is going to have to be a little bit short today because unfortunately I've got quite a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, sorry.
Lies. All of them.
I'm just really boring. We have nothing to talk about.
This is kind of pathetic of us.
We just went on a walk. It's sort of the highlight of the week thus far.
Oh god.
And last week too.
Yeah. Ta-da! Found art by Ella. Isn't it gorgeous? So this would, I suppose, exemplify the summer trait known as laziness, which we both seem to be exhibiting to the nth degree at the moment. Also, Ella seems to be
Practicing spelling.
well, I was going to say practicing your art by creating on all of these rocks. I mean, there's this rock and that rock.
So yeah, we went on a walk on the bike trail, which is lovely and has lots of trees. Are you nodding the camera?
No.
Nice. And then we've never actually gone past the river, I don't think, have we?
Maybe not. Sounds like a thing to do.
It does. Because we always stop here and
then go back.
hang around with all the nice water because water and rocks are lovely. And then we always turn around and go back.
Ella creates masterpiece with sticks.
Oh, jeez.
I think she's attempting to lure them off the path into her lair. But
that's miles back. So this might take a lot of steps. Follow the butterflies!
So we seem to have reached the end of this segment of the path. There's a road.
We've got to the road, and even though the path continues on that way, we've decided that continuing on that away is sort of
not worth our time.
A journey for another day. One day we will get to the end of this path, but for right now we're going that way.